Okay guys, welcome to the cabin of the C215 2005 CL55. This is one of my favorite cars ever made. Very special and unique car. This thing was 120 grand brand new. Now you can get these for bargains for stupid cheap. There's a reason why though. I let this car warm up. I've owned this car for 2 years before, and it was an interesting experience. There's a lot of different things I learned about cars throughout the ownership of this. But would I do it again? Hell yeah. This is an amazing vehicle. It's a very fast car too. It's got about 500 horsepower. Makes a lot of correct noises. We're gonna do a few pulls for you guys so you guys can kind of see for yourselves. The supercharger kicks and activates around 3,033, 35. It's a very fun car. Apparently there's some sort of issue with the radar disconnecting from all that G-force. This car just puts a smile on your face all the time, man. This car's got Saica coilovers. I actually installed those coilovers on here because I had a lot of trouble with the ABC. But if I had to do it again, I would just have left the ABC as it was, because I've owned the S55 with working ABC, man, and let me tell you, it is much nicer of a ride. This car's got some sort of a leak, so I don't want to beat on it too long and too much. I do want to show you guys how amazing this car is, because I did have the chance, you know, to be with the car, have my GoPro. Why not just show you guys what an awesome car this is? Sorry, excuse the noise. The windows are open, but it's really hot outside, and that's the only way this is gonna go down. This car makes a lovely exhaust note, man. Wow. I really do not like that this radar keeps disconnecting, but we're only taking it for a short drive, so some sort of loose, probably the prongs are loose on there. I'm gonna do a little U-turn right here. This is an extremely fast car, man. This car's got a stock pulley, but it's got the upgraded cooling pump, the 010 Bosch. It's got the bigger intercooler for the bigger heat exchanger to help cool down the supercharger. Therefore, it doesn't heat soak. Like, you could literally rev it as much as you want, make boost all day long, and it doesn't heat soak. That's an issue with these cars. When you have an old weak pump, you don't do the split cooling mod, bigger front mount, you're gonna have it constantly heat soaking. The air intake, air temperatures are gonna keep rising high, and then the computer is gonna limit the boost naturally. This is just a phenomenal and amazing car. It'll teach you to be a mechanic, and it'll teach you what a nice car is. The bad thing about this car is it'll ruin every other car that you'll get after this for you, because it's so nice. Like, no other car is almost going to match up to the standard of this, and I can almost guarantee you that, because this sets such a high benchmark that it's just hard to compare anything else to it. Even the new Benzes, their quality of the materials has been getting shittier and worse and cheaper. take it for one more spin around the block. Can I get this to work? Probably not. And this radar will not stay on. It's annoying. Oh, and this car has the nice paddle shifters on the steering wheel. I'll make sure to get a clip of those. That supercharger clutch activates and you're just off, man. Holy shit, this is so much fun. It's hard to get bored driving this car, man. Car could use brakes, could use a little TLC. It's been sitting for a decent amount of time, needs that leak repaired, a couple minor little things, and this beauty will be back on the road. I mean, it's already on the road, but it just needs those small little details, you know, tidied up. But if you do see one of these pop up for cheap, do buy it, because you're gonna have an experience. It's an amazing car. Because of this car, I met a lot of people that I wouldn't have met otherwise. It's an experience. Let me tell you that. It's an experience, and it's a good one. I wouldn't recommend you guys something shitty. Okay, this is the end of the drive. As you can see, that's my current daily driver, W220 S500, the AMG Sport Package. There's the E55 I just reviewed. Oh, we're gonna park this thing up. Buy one of these, that's all I can tell you. You're gonna have a lovely experience. Just don't buy a shit one. Might have a worse experience with this. So it's got nice parking sensors there. It's got the rear window, blind. You also put the headrest on this one. Unlike the W220, you could actually, these should go up. Let's see if this even works. Hold it. Yeah, see? It brought them right up. They lock in. Push it. On. That one fell. What about this one? Oh, that one fell too right now. Perfect. Yeah, see, on these AMG ones, you get those to fold up and down. That's cool. You get cooled seats. If your little fan start up, see all these little vents in these seats. There's actually a fan that sucks the air back out. It's pretty awesome. You get heated seats. You can open and close the trunk. It's a hydraulic operated trunk that often fails that pump, but it's just a beautiful and amazing piece of art. This is a machine, man. This is a hidden gem in the game, if you're okay with dealing with some of the headaches, which they're worth it, man. And with this beautiful pillarless design, how can you go wrong? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is still the best car to this day that I have ever owned.